Good morning, dear students. Today we will solve question number 21 and 22 of practice sheet 4. Let's start. Question number 21 is fill in the blanks. First blank is all the radii of circle are dash in length. We have a circular paper. Now fold this circular paper into equal parts. Now again fold it into two more equal parts. Now once again fold it into two more equal parts. Here the pointed peak is the center of the circle. Now let's unfold this paper, and when we have unfolded this paper, we found such kinds of line segments on this paper like OA, OB, OC and OD. Dear students, as we have done earlier that the distance from the center of the circle to any point on circumference is known as its radius. So these all are the radii of this circle like OA, OB, OC or OD. Thus we can see that all the radii of a circle are equal in length. So we will write equal in the first blank. Second blank is diameter of a circle is equal to dash into radius. Fold this circular paper into equal parts. Now again fold it into two more equal parts, and thus we get a pointed peak that is the center of the circle O. Now the distance between the center and a point on a circumference is known as the radius of the circle. So here OA is the radius of the circle. Now unfold the paper, and when we can see a line segment that is passing through the center, and that line segment which is passing through the center and has endpoints on the circumference is known as diameter. Means AB is the diameter of circle. Dear students, now you can see that the length of diameter is twice the length of radius. Means we can see diameter is equal to 2 into radius. So we will write 2 in the blank. Our third blank is a line segment which joins center of the circle with any point on circumference is called dash. Fold this circular paper into equal parts. Now again fold it into two more equal parts, and thus we get a pointed peak that is the center of the circle O. Now the distance between the center and a point on a circumference is known as the radius of the circle. So here OA is the radius of the circle. So we will write radius here. Our next blank is the longest chord of a circle is called dash of circle. Dear students, here we have a circular paper. Now let's fold it from different sides. And after folding it, when we unfold it, then we see different types of line segment on this paper. Dear students, line segment that joins two endpoints on the circumference of a circle is known as chord. So here we have AB, PQ and MN are the chords of this circle. Dear students, you can see that the length of PQ chord is more than the length of AB and MN. And as we have learned, the line segment that passes from the center and has endpoints on circumference known as diameter. So we can see that diameter is the longest chord of the circle. So we will write here diameter. Our next blank is there is no vertex, no edge and no dash of the circle. This is a circle and you can see It has no vertex, no edge and no end point. So here we will write end point. Now question number 22 is tick for the correct statement and cross for the incorrect statement. Our first statement is there are 12 months in a year. First month of the year is January. January. Second month is February. Third is March. Fourth is April. Fifth is May. Sixth is June. Seventh is July. Eighth is August. 9 is September. 10th October. 11th November. 12th December. So there are 12 months in a year. So our given statement is correct. We will put tick in front of it. Second statement is there are 365 days in a leap year. Dear students, it is a calendar of year 2020. Now year 2021 is going on. Let's count the number of days in year 2020. January has 31 days. February has 29 days. March has 31 days. April has 30 days. May has 31 days. June has 30 days. July has 31 days. August has 31 days. September has 30 days. October has 31 days. November has 30 days. December has 31 days. Now we will add it. Total comes 366. In year 2020, it has 366 days. In this year, February has 29 days, and a year in which February has 29 days, that year is known as leap year. Means a leap year has 366 days. So the given statement is incorrect. We will put a cross in front of it. Next statement is a day has 24 hours. An hour hand complete its one revolution in 12 hours and second revolution in 13 to 24 hours. Means a day has 24 hours. So the given statement is correct and we will put a tick in front of it. Next statement is there are 8 days in a week. First day of the week is Sunday. Sunday. Second day of the week is Monday. Monday. Now third day of the week is after Monday, Tuesday. That is Tuesday. Fourth day of the week is Wednesday. After Tuesday, Wednesday. Fifth day of the week is Thursday. Sixth day of the week is Friday. Friday. Seventh day of the week is Saturday. Saturday. So there are 7 days in a week. So it is incorrect and we will put a cross in front of it. Next statement is July is the 8th month of the year. First month of the year is January. January. Second month is February. Third is March. Fourth is April. Fifth is May. Sixth is June. Seventh is July. Eighth is August. So it is incorrect. We will put a cross in front of it. From home, you will solve question number 21 and 22 in your notebooks.